Hey everyone. Today we're going to explore how to effectively use the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, a fantastic tool for those starting to manage their finances. Let's dive in and break down this simple yet powerful budgeting technique. What is the 50-30-20 rule? This rule helps you divide your income into three parts: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Practical example. Imagine your monthly after-tax income is $3,000. Applying the 50-30-20 rule, you would allocate $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings or debt. Budgeting for needs: rent, $800, groceries, $300, utilities, electricity, water, internet, $200, transportation, bus pass or gas, $100, health insurance, $100. These figures are examples and may vary based on your lifestyle and responsibilities. The key is to categorize your spending accurately and adhere to these proportions. Budgeting for wants: dining out and social activities, $300, subscription services, Netflix, Spotify, $50, gym membership, shopping, clothes, gadgets, $200, weekend trips or hobbies, $250. It's essential to enjoy life without going overboard. Whether it's a special latte or concert tickets, these expenditures should be enjoyable but not cause financial stress. Budgeting for savings: emergency fund contribution, $200, retirement savings, e.g. Roth IRA, $200, credit card debt payment, $200. Savings isn't just about putting money aside, it's planning for the future and preparing for unexpected expenses. Whether saving for a vacation, a new laptop, or just building a safety net, prioritizing your future is crucial. Personalizing your budget: it's important to tailor the 50-30-20 rule to fit your circumstances. For example, if your rent is higher, you might need to adjust the funds allocated to wants or find ways to boost your income. Tracking your spending: once you've set your budget, the next step is tracking where your money goes. Utilize tools that work best for you: apps, spreadsheets, or a journal. Being aware of your spending habits is key to adhering to this budgeting strategy. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a formula. It's about creating a balanced financial life where you can meet your needs, enjoy your wants, and secure your future. Remember, it's flexible. Adjust it to fit your life and your goals. Good luck.